No.
They touch hot coal with hands. God, I'm finally going to feel this thing on my head. See the
Okay, you're recording it already.
Yeah.
What that made me fine.
It was fine. You are. All the beauty treatments are inside. Show sauce. I don't want to be a fine girl anymore. Ah.
Oh, yes, so that will get you number.
I just feel one instant heat.
So I went to have my hair installed for the first time at my girl's place, Eve's Beauty, and I will come back to show you guys a detailed video on how she did it, but for now, enjoy snippets.
I want to take like a picture of before and after.
Okay.
Here's my first installation.
What that made me fine.
It was fine. You are not understanding.
So this is the frontal wig I'll be using. It is a honey blonde frontal unit from Hairs by Dimma Official. It is synthetic blend, in case you were wondering.
Admire myself.
Okay, I'm seeing clear, yes.
I think the center is pretty.
Nice.
We don't have to change it. We can try inside another day. I look so cute.
Thanks.
I don't think why I see myself fine like this.
You do makeup literally?
Eh?
Okay, you did makeup on your video.
Literally, wait.
Anyway, I was just really excited to see how pretty I looked. My first installation was a banger. It looked so beautiful, and this is how the hair looks at the back. It's so pretty.
It's giving big sister of the bride.
So the next thing to do after getting my hair done was to go join my family members while we wait for our in-laws to come pick the bride and take her to where she'll crash. And these were my sisters getting their nails done. These are Pamela's nails and CY's nails. Absolutely beautiful. It's giving best maid of honor.
Thank you.
In my tradition, the night before the wedding, part of the groom's family comes around with a group of people who would entertain while they have the last meeting with the family members before they release the bride onto them. And they would now take her to where she's going to crash, be it the pastor's house or the hotel, basically just where she's going to crash before the wedding day. And sometimes the bride goes there with her sisters or her friends or her auntie, and yeah, that's it. Cut. We're at the hotel now, and this is chief bridesmaid giving gifts.
Video now, Abba.
Cut again. I was asking why I didn't video mine because I needed to get her reaction, and my sister was like, bring it, it's here. But I didn't, Sha. I didn't, because I already got her reaction, and bringing it out would have been too much acting, please.
Hi. You can feel free to open. Watch now. Yeah, I love this Bible. So cute. Ah, my favorite.
Good.
I love Arofak.
Thank you, Kuka. Do not choke. It was going to be a long night, and we had to get into arranging and packing souvenirs because we had an even longer day to get to the next day. But I was just here admiring the beautiful customized keychains with the hashtag and people's names. And the guy's own had like a plain color, and the lady's own had some touch of green. And these boxes also had customized names for souvenirs. And these were the scented candles that were gotten. We had some cream colored scented candles, we had pink, we had green, and we had to immediately get to packing.
Joy, you don't Moses.
Some of you photo of the rapper.
Salama.
This is Victoria. Manuela Gudani. So anybody can just pick any Manuela.
Peter.
Emma didn't know Molini. Any Emma.
What do I do?
Bless you.
Can't I think this may happen? Let's think of the blessings.
So let's just be putting there. Mary.
Just.
How do you know how we Esther.
Okay, I said that I need to okay. You don't daughter and for some sort.
Mr. Red. Oh, baby.
Sheet mask.
Where's her bag?
She must not have done it. No, she won't daughter the sheet mask. It's not mad. It's not me that. You know, kita the dana. I just stand so we go mad with her.
Why Joy? Joy, Nico. Okay, what's your Peter? You know Joy. Cynthia. I like it. Cynthia. You know all Santi. You know Santi?
Santi connection in our face.
Yes. No, Anna.
No, Anna, this year.
Sandra. Sandra is very thick.
Sandra. Anna.
Anna. Joyce.
That's what is over.
Melissa. Joy. Elizabeth. Esther. Victoria. Eve, another Eve. God bless you. Bless you to that beautiful. What's that, Diana? Esther. Alice.
Okay, pressure.
Alice.
How many distance remain?
Candy. Oh.
How many remain hardcover?
Now what bless you with that
let me know.
bless you with that woman in Kinky. The Pamela.
Bless you Dana.
Bless you with that woman. Maggie. Mira.
Akwai empty one da ba sa kunu ko. Akwai sas washing one now. No stop on. Bless. I just don't want soap in your pan. We fold first.
You are not rolling it.
Okay, fold up. Like fire.
The piece of food might be good.
So that you don't put it in the curry long cosa. Yay! You know we go up to 50 something now. But they don't put here now. It's me and Candy's us.
This one is eye mask, so enjoy me. What's in this bag? All the beauty treatments are inside.
There's one bag. This one too is missing. Chicken and that. Yeah, you did it.
No, there's one. See eye mask.
Maybe
No,
so
why?
free.
Gaji. Oh, parang kakala gaji.
Zai nuna. Ya kamata mu yi hoto fa so that it will be like pre-wedding shenanigans. Let me change your shit to photo mode. Okay.
While my sisters got ready for bed, me as anti-makeup artist of the day, I had to start setting up my makeup space because I didn't want to wake up and start setting up. That one takes another 30 minutes to an hour. So I got this makeup chair just recently. In fact, this was the first time I was going to set it up. So I had a difficult time, but in the end, I figured it out. It was really surreal trying to do this because, wow, buying a makeup chair in this economy is no beans, but we thank God. My client's comfort and my comfort is top priority. I was just sitting on it and trying to see how it fit. At this time, it was already about past 12 and I had to get ready for bed because I was going to be the first one up at 4. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I dress the bride.